A scant quarter-inch seam is about a thread's width away from a quarter-inch seam. Pardon this marker here, it sort of bled on my fabric, but I'm hoping that you can see that this seam is just a thread over from a regular quarter-inch seam. Often when you press, there's a little fabric here that gets caught up on this thread hump. It's about a thread's width. So if you move over about a thread's width, your patchwork will be more precise. You might be wondering if a thread's width really makes a difference. The answer is yes and no. It's all relative to the size and number of pieces in your project. In this block with just one seam for every 3 inches, then a thread's width won't make that much difference. But when sewing this 3-inch block, there's 12 seams across here. If you're off 1 thread's width, you'd be off at least 1/4 of an inch or more, and that would make a difference. The smaller the pieces, the more precise you need to be. However, you should always strive to be as accurate as possible.